Hi guys, Lewis here. Today we will discuss Dotloop, the ultimate transaction management tool for real estate professionals. If you're a real estate agent, broker, or transaction coordinator, this tool can make your life a lot easier. It allows users to manage transactions, edit, share, and e-sign real estate documents, and collaborate with the clients and team members. In this tutorial, I'll explore everything about Dotloop you need to know. First, we'll talk about what Dotloop is and who can use it effectively. Then, we'll see the sign-up process and guide you to set up your account. We'll also take a detailed look at the dashboard. Then I'll guide you on how to create a loop, add a task, add people, and finally add documents. So without further delay, let's get started. First off, let me give you an overview of what Dotloop is. Dotloop is a real estate transaction management software that helps real estate agents, brokers, and clients work together to close a deal. It offers various features. Some of these key features are centralized transaction management, workflow tools, audit trails, digital signatures, task templates, reporting, and document management. Users can also view their business performance using the reporting tools. Dotloop is designed for a wide range of real estate professionals, including real estate agents, brokers, project and property managers, transaction coordinators, and clients. It provides compliance management and real-time notification features for changes in deal status. Dotloop offers integration with Boomtown, Inside Real Estate, LionDesk, Real Geeks, Zerple, and others. Now, let's see how you can sign up for a brand new Dotloop account. Firstly, search for dotloop.com on your web browser. It will take you to the official website of Dotloop. Then you will see a sign up free button in the center of the page. Click on this button and it will take you to your registration page. Enter your email address and click the continue button. Then enter your password and again click that continue button. Then it will ask you to add a two-factor authentication method to keep your account safe. You can either click on the Authenticator app option or the phone number option. For now, I'm continuing with the Authenticator app option. Enter the code and click on the continue button. Next, copy the recovery code shown on the screen and keep it somewhere safe. Then again, click on that continue button. Also, don't forget to verify your account from the verification email sent to your email address. Once the setup process is completed, you will be redirected to your Dotloop accounts dashboard where you can begin exploring its features. The Dotloop's dashboard is the central hub for managing all of your tasks. This is where you'll organize and manage everything related to the real estate transactions. Moreover, the dashboard is designed to make things efficient and smooth. At the very top of the screen, you'll find the top menu, which is the main navigation bar. Let's go through each tab and what it offers. The Loops tab is where all your real estate transactions are managed. Loops help you organize real estate deals by keeping all necessary documents and parties in one place. The Tasks tab helps you to stay on top of deadlines. It helps you stay organized by allowing you to manage your to-do list. Tasks are divided into personal tasks and loop tasks. You can view tasks assigned to you, track overdue ones, and revisit completed tasks. This clear categorization ensures you never miss a deadline. The People tab is your built-in contact management system. Here you can add clients, agents, lenders, and anyone else involved in your transaction. It's all about building your network. It allows you to add contacts such as clients or team members and provide access to trusted service providers for utilities, mortgages, inspections, and more. This feature enhances collaboration and ensures your clients have the resources they need. The Templates tab is one of the biggest time-saving features in Dotloop. Instead of manually uploading documents every time, you can use pre-made templates for contracts, disclosures, and other forms to save time. It allows you to store purchase agreements, listing contracts, addendums, and disclosures in one place. Moreover, you can share standard forms with your team to ensure consistency. The Dotloop's dashboard is packed with features designed to simplify your workflow and enhance productivity in the real estate business. Hey, quick interruption. Are you searching for the most efficient way to manage your business, life, or finances? Well, I'm excited to share a valuable resource with you all. We've developed top-notch Notion templates to streamline your business operations, enhance your personal organization, and optimize your financial management. Click the link down in the description of this video to check it out. All right, back to the video. Now let's create our first loop in Dotloop. To create a loop, make sure that you are on the Loops tab. Once there, click on the plus Add Loop option. A new screen will open where you can enter the details of the loop. Firstly, enter the name of your loop. Choose an appropriate and relevant name. And if you're unsure of the property address, put in your client's name for now, as you always have the choice to change it later. After entering the loop name, click on the Continue button. The next step is to add a photo to the loop. Upload a relevant photo and click on the Done button. You can also change the photo if needed. Then it will take a few moments to process and create the loop. Once your loop is successfully created, you'll be given two options. The first option is to create another loop, and the second is to view loop. If you want to view the loop you have just created, simply click on the View Loop button. Here you can see you have several options for managing your real estate transaction. You can add documents, invite or add people, and also add tasks to the loop. Now, let me show you how you can add a task in Dotloop. To add a task, simply click on the Tasks section from the top menu. Then, decide what type of task you'd like to add. As here, you have two options. Personal tasks are for general use, whilst loop tasks are tied to a specific transaction. For example, if you're creating a personal task, go to the Personal Tasks section and select the relevant area from there. Then, click on the Add Tasks option on the right side. Finally, fill in that task name. You can also add any additional details or notes. Once everything looks good, your new task will now appear in your task list, ready to be tracked. Next up, let me show you how to add people to your loops in just a few simple steps. Firstly, click on the People tab in the top menu. This will take you to a page where you can add and manage people within your Dotloop account. On this page, click on the Contacts option from the left side menu. It will open a list of your existing contacts. Now, to add new people, start by clicking on the plus Add Person button. This button will open a pop-up window where you can enter all the details of the person you want to add to your Dotloop account. Let's start filling in the details in the pop-up window. You can see there are some mandatory fields and some optional ones. The mandatory fields include the person's full name, email address, role, and state or province. Add the person's information in all of these fields. You can also fill out the optional fields as much as possible, as they can ensure you have proper details of the person. Finally, click on the Add Person button. It will successfully add the person to the list, and you can easily manage it from the Contacts option. Dotloop makes it simple and super easy to create loops, add tasks, and add people. Finally, let me show you how to add new documents. To add a new document, click on the Templates tab. This will take you to the Templates page. Then you can add new documents to your personal template folder using two main options. The first option is Templates, which allows you to choose from pre-existing interactive forms to use in transaction. The second option is Browse, which lets you upload PDFs directly from your computer to store and access later. Choose the option that suits your needs. For example, if you click the Browse option, you can select the document from your computer and upload it to your personal template folder. Additionally, you can also create folders to keep your documents organized. And that's it for this tutorial. You now know how to use Dotloop to streamline your real estate transactions. Today we covered everything you need to know to get started with Dotloop. First, we covered the sign-up process and explored the dashboard. Then we learned how to create and view loops, as well as add tasks, people, and documents. I hope this tutorial made it easy for you to understand the basics of using Dotloop. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, please like and subscribe for more step-by-step tutorials. If you have any questions or want to share your experience using Dotloop, feel free to drop a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. Until next time, take care.